What is up, guys? In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how you can create a free CPA landing page for your CPA offer. So you could create landing page like this, simple as this, and also as complex as this, where you have videos, you could have text, you could have write-up on a single page, and all this can be created for free with screenshots and videos and everything you want to place right in it. I'm going to show you how you can use this website called breezy.cloud to create a free landing page for yourself. Now the first thing you want to do is to actually get started for free. So it's free to actually register on breezy.com right now. So I'm going to leave a link in the description to Breezy so you could register using that link right there. So quickly, once you actually sign up, you are going to actually come onto a page that looks like this. The only difference with what you are seeing right now is that all of these templates created will not be available in yours. So but then you just want to find where you see this place that says create new project, click onto the plus sign and click onto website and landing page. You want to click onto create right there, and then it's going to take a little bit of time for this to load, and then we are going to go right away. So as you can see right here, it created this 14. So project number 14 is this, and what you want to do right now is click onto edit project. That's what you want to do. You click onto edit project. So guys, once you are on this page, what you want to do is to click onto this plus sign, and then it's going to give you all of the template that you could use, but I will just want you to click on to create your own. That's what you want to do, and then it's going to take you to this particular page. Now once you're on this particular page, what you want to do is to click onto the plus sign right here, and then you could see all of the elements that you could add and start creating your landing page. You could add column, rows, title, post, text, button, icon, image, audio, video, spacer, timer. A lot of things can be added right away. So guys, I'm going to share with you how you could navigate through by creating a simple page like this. But overall, with what I'm going to share with you, you should be able to create complex pages like even this one and any pages of your choice, as long as you know how to go through using different elements and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to add is a text, which I'm going to use as the title. So right here, so what I'm going to do is just simply copy this right here, and then paste right there. And so we have it pasted right here, and we have our title already there. So we need an image for our gift card. So basically, for those of you that probably do not know where to get pictures, it's very much simple. Go on to Google and you could get lots of images right there. Like we could easily go right here and do paper gift card, and then you could see lots of paper gift card. Let's go into the image section, and these are lots of paper gift card that we can actually use. So I'm just going to pick one of these that I think is really good. Let's say this. Probably I'm going to use this. We could actually save this quickly and use as our offer. So I'm going to save image quickly into our computer, and I'm going to make sure all files, sorry guys, all files save, and I'm going to save this into my computer and use this for our tutorial. So now we have this added right there. So I'm going to change this price to like we could change it to 1,000, and just to show you how we could edit this, we could edit font size right here. We could also change if we want to change font, we could increase font size. Let me increase this like 35. Yes, right there. And we could do a lot of stuff with this. We could also control bold it and remove the slant right there. We could underline, but I don't really like that, so I'm going to take that off. So we have this right there. So adding the picture, we'll just click onto the plus sign and look for image, and we'll drag this, and there is a thick green line you see on the screen right now. Once you see that green line, you just want to let go of your mouse, and you've added another element. You scroll down. What I'll do, I'm going to reduce the size of this. It's looking too big, and we have this right there. And then you click onto it, and then you could see the icon of the image right here. You click onto that, and then you click onto this particular space right here. You click onto it right there, and then basically it's going to take us to our inside of our computer where we can add what we just downloaded. So we click onto it, we just open it, and it's going to load. Now guys, there are other stuff you could do. You could add a link to your picture, so you could add a link right here. So it all depends on, you could centralize and do a lot of stuff and the rest of that, but basically it's a simple one, so we just have it right there. And lastly, what I'm going to add is a button. So we just simply go out to button, we screw once we see the black tick line, we let go, and we are easily able to add our button. And basically simple, we could easily click on to get started, and then click onto the text right there and increase the text. We could want to increase it to 25 right there, and we could also change the color. I'm going to do that later. We could change the color right now. Let's make it like red. I'm gonna just transfer all of this, so make it red, and we could add a link. So right here is where we could add our CPA link. So we could add any CPA link on CPA grip on any network. We just need to add our link at this particular spot right now. So if our link is, let's say for instance our link is www.cpagrip.com, that's our link. We could click onto that. I'll just turn this off so that it takes them to the next page, and that's all. We are good to go. We have our page set up. So I just give you an overview of how to add things, edit things, and do a lot of stuff. But basically everything on using Breezy, it's so simple. But once you're done, you want to make sure you go right here to this arrow that points up, click onto it, and click onto publish page right there. You want to click onto publish page, and it's going to take some time, and then click onto this icon. You can see where the mouse is. Click on the icon and go back to dashboard. There's one more thing I want to share with you before we wrap up this video. So quickly, once you do that, you want to click onto the link right there, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now you have two options to have a custom domain or a subdomain. So if you are going all the way free, just go on for the subdomain. But if you want to actually add a website, your paid website or domain name to it, you could go on to the upgrade. Now you just click on to choose, and right here we could easily go ahead and do something and change this to do like on paper gift card 1000, and then we could click on to submit. And okay, this already existed, so I'm just going to gift cards, and then let's see if this exists. Okay, this is done, and then we have our customized name. So if we actually go on to see exactly a preview of how our page looks like, it's going to load, take some time for it to load quickly. And as you can see right here, I think I did some mistake while I'm doing this. I'm just going to go back quickly. We're going to edit the project one more time so that we set up this to actually land at the center. I think we made some errors with that. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to highlight this and centralize it. I think that's what we missed. Quickly, let me just increase the font. I think this is much more smaller. 40, go. Okay, we have it right there, and we update it again, and then we could come here and refresh the page, and let's see if it's going to give us the right format that we've just selected. Okay, right guys, this is the right format. And then if someone comes into this page and click on to get started, it's going to take them to our link. And in our case, so one more thing before we just update it, I'm going to actually just go right here and change this link. I don't think this link is going to work perfectly. I'm going to paste this link. It's still the CPA grip link. We just change the link and update one more time. Update. So it's updated. So let's go right here and refresh this page, and then we'll try our link to see if it's going to direct us to where we want people to go. So basically this is the link I use. So let's go ahead and click this, and it's going to take them to the next tab, and then it's supposed to redirect them to the page. So I'm going to click the link right now and test it to see exactly. Okay guys, you can see right here it's taking us the exact page right there. So basically that is how you can create a landing page with this website right away.